Good morning. Myself, Dr. Kumari Bharti, Jamshedpur Cooperative College, Department of Philosophy. Today we will talk about the symbolic logic. Symbolic logic is a method of representing logical expression through the use of symbols and variables rather than in a ordinary language. So the use of symbols to denote proportion, terms, and relation in order to assist reasoning. So first, we discuss the how to use of our symbols. Okay. Then we will first discuss the what is a statement. There are two types of statement. First, simple statement and compound statement. Simple statement is a simple sentence has a one word. Okay, I give the example and explain it. First, Mrs. Indira Gandhi is a mother of Rajiv Gandhi. Sita is beautiful. New Delhi is a capital of India. These examples are simple statements. Again, compound statement. Compound statement is a combinations of two individual proportion. Examples: either it's rain and he will go to picnic. Rose is red. Rose is either red or yellow. Mohan is a student and he is intelligent. So these are examples of compound statements. Again, we discuss the kinds of compound statement. There are four kinds of compound statements. First, conjunctions. This is where two or more statements are connected using the words and. Suppose that, give the example. Sita and Rita is a beautiful. So there are two statements. Sita is a beautiful and Sita is a beautiful. Rita is beautiful. So we connected the two statements. The joining point is and. So and is a conjunction. Okay. So and is a conjunction. And in symbols dot. Again, I give the other examples and explain it. So, it is raining and the streets are wet. It is raining and the streets are wet. There are two statements. It is raining. Second, there are wets. And so, it is raining and the streets are wet. So there are two statements and connected is the used and. So this is the conjunction. Again, we discuss the disjunction. Okay, we have disjunctions which are two or more statements connected is a using words of which is the symbols of which. Connecting is the using words or either or. I give the examples and explain it. Rose is either red or yellow. So there are two examples. Rose is red. Rose is yellow. So there are two statements but connected the joining point or rose is either red or yellow. I give the other example and explain it. So if I say it is raining or the streets are wet. It is raining or the streets are wet. This is examples of disjunction. Again, we discuss the conditionals. Conditionals. We have conditions. We have condition which are two or more statement is a connected is a using words if there is raining there will be crops. If you should labor hard you will be success. Again, if it is raining then the streets are wet. So these examples are conditional. Okay, and the symbols of if and the symbols of horseshoe. So again we discuss the bioconditional. Bioconditionals are a statement that contain that are is two or more than a statement is a connection is connected the using words of if and only if. What? The using words of connecting the using words of if and only if. So we see. So the example, the streets are wet if and only if it is raining. What? The streets are wet if and only if it is raining. So the examples of bioconditionals. Okay. Again, we discuss the negation. Then we have negation. So these are a statement that are modified such that are modified by the words not. If I say Sita is not beautiful, so what meaning? Sita is not beautiful. That is the meaning of that is the negations of the meaning Sita is beautiful. We say Sita is not beautiful. I give the examples of negation. So I give other examples and explaining. Suppose that we give the examples. It is not raining. It is not raining. That is the negations of the statement. It is raining. So these are the examples of negation. And is the symbols of curl. Okay, curls. So these are the compound statement, kinds of compound statement: conjunction, disjunction, conditional, bioconditionals, and negation. So conjunction statement containing the words and the symbols of dot. Suppose Sita and Rita is beautiful. Okay, Sita and Rita is beautiful. Sita is beautiful and Rita is beautiful, and is the connecting the two statements. So the symbols of dot. Suppose that Sita is beautiful. We denote the P. Rita is beautiful. We denote the symbol Q. So P dot Q. P, Sita is beautiful. Q, Rita is beautiful. and dot is the connecting point. Dot is the connecting point. It is the symbols of and. So Sita and Rita is beautiful. Again, disjunction. Disjunction, a statement containing the words or. Disjunction, a statement containing the word or. Suppose that I give the example and explain. Rose is either red or yellow. So rose is red, rose is yellow. So we denote the symbol rose is red P, rose is yellow Q, and connecting point two statements or is the connecting point. Either or. It is the symbols of, it is the connecting point of disjunctive statement. So or, so we use the symbols of which. We use the symbols of which. Again, so our statement, rose is either red or yellow P, which Q. Again, we discuss the conditional. Our conditional statement. Conditional statement containing the words if they. You should labor hard. If you should labor hard, you will be success. You should labor hard. This is you should labor hard. You will be success. There are two statements. You should labor hard. This statement, I denote the symbol of P. You will be success. I denote the symbol of Q. So, the statement is P implications Q. Okay? Again, we discuss the negation. It is not running. Negation statement containing words not the symbols of call. Suppose that Sita is not beautiful. So Sita is beautiful. So Sita is beautiful. This statement. We take a symbols. This statement, Sita is beautiful. We take a denotes of symbol. We take a P, and not Sita is not beautiful. So call P. So this type. This type of a statement. So I think you clear it. Again, I discuss the next video. Okay, so bye, thank you.